This girl found a secret room inside her house, but you won't believe what she discovers. 6-year-old Ava lived with her dad and grandparents in a small town in Mississippi. One day she was playing hide and seek when she discovered a hidden compartment underneath her bed. She called her grandparents and they began filming as Ava pulled out a 200-year-old map from the original owners of the house. But as they looked closer, they discovered that the map was actually the original layout of the house. They were shocked to find a secret room on the map right beside Ava's room. But when her dad knocked on the wall, he could tell it was hollow on the other side. So her dad grabbed a saw and cut a hole just big enough for Ava to fit through. But as she opened the door, she could not believe her eyes. Before I continue, do you want to get paid to literally just walk? I found an app that pays you for every step you take, and you're already walking 10,000 steps, so you may as well get paid. Click here in my comments if you want to get paid too. The room appeared empty except for one small toy box in the corner of the room. She picked it up and couldn't believe her eyes. It was filled with a ton of gold.